అక్కడ పెద్ద రోడ్డు దగ్గర నుండి ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చేటందుకు చాలా ఇబ్బంది ఉండే. ఆడవాళ్ళు కానీ మగవాళ్ళు కానీ భయపడుకుంటూ వచ్చేది.
ఎందుకంటే ఊర్లో కూడా గ్రామంలో అట్లా వస్తూ ఉంటే రోడ్ పొంటి మాకు చాలా భయం పెడుతుండే. ఇప్పుడన్నా 8-9 గంటలు అయిందంటే 6 గంటలైంది చాలా భయం అవుతుండే.
మాది ఒకప్పటి వందల చరిత్ర గల గ్రామం అయినా కూడా ఎప్పుడు లైట్కు నోచుకోలేని ప్రాంతంగా.
For decades, this village remained in the shadows, a place forgotten by time. No lights, no power, only the silence of darkness all around.
సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ వలన, సోలార్ లైటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వలన గ్రామంలో చాలా చాలా ఉపయోగాలు ఉన్నాయి. అట్లాగే పాఠశాలలో కూడా విద్యార్థులకు నైట్ స్టడీ అవర్స్లో కూడా లైట్స్ రావడం చాలా హ్యాపీ. అందరూ విద్యార్థులు ప్లస్ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు. తర్వాత ఈ సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ గ్రామంలో మొత్తం కూడా అన్ని స్ట్రీట్లలో లైట్స్ని వెలిగించి చాలా ఉపయోగాన్ని పొందుతూ ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళు నైట్లో వెళ్ళాలన్నా పాములు తేళ్ళు రాకుండా వాటిని చూసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళడం అనేటువంటిది వాళ్ళకు హ్యాపీగా.
इंदिरा गांधी तब था करंट फ्री तब दिया था। मीटर 25 रुपए में मीटर दिया था, तो वो मीटर से चलाया, एक बल्ब फ्री।
अब हम लोग जो लाइट दिया उसके बाद अब आया। हाँ, तो इंदिरा जी दी
हाँ इंदिरा जी
और अब हम लोग दिया, ऐसा ही तो। हाँ
बराबर।
Children studied under candlelight. Hospitals operated with uncertainty. Schools struggled to teach without electricity. Life here was a battle against the darkness. But the change was coming. A team of change makers from Salesforce and the Youth of India Foundation stepped in with a mission to bring light where there was none. Their vision, a solar-powered revolution that could transform lives forever. But this time, the sunrise brought more than just a new day. It brought hope, education, health, growth, a connection to the world beyond. Electricity wasn't just about light, it was about opportunity. This is more than just a story of a village. It is proof that change is possible, that even the most forgotten places can shine again. When vision and action come together, darkness has no choice but to fade.
మా స్కూల్లో కానీ మా ఊర్లో కానీ సోలార్ లైట్స్ పెట్టడం మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే మేము ఎక్కడికైనా బయటికి వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ లైట్స్ కరెంట్ పోయినప్పుడు ఉండిపోయేది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ సోలార్ లైట్స్ వల్ల మాకు చాలా యూజెస్ జరుగుతున్నాయి.
Namaste, my name is Kiran. I lead CSR for Salesforce India. This is our second year supporting Jangam through the Solar Clean Energy Project. I have to say Youth of India has done it again, and we're really happy to see how the community is so grateful for the support we've been able to support. 97 families, 5+ public healthcare centers, the multiple ways in which we have been able to create this community engagement. The livelihoods are getting better, the safety of the women is getting better, and really incredible to see how Youth of India has been able to bring all of this support to the community here in Obul Keshwarpur in Janagaon.
So friends, we are here in Obul Keshwarpur village, which prior to us getting involved did not have any electricity, and children used to study in the candlelight. People when walking through the streets were scared because snakes would be there. Women were scared to walk around at night. When there were gatherings, they had to be done only during the daytime, evening time. There was no way to congregate. And once we have installed the solar here, it's become an ideal solar village. We went to a school, and the children were so grateful. They have centers created around the school where, because of solar, there is light. They come there to study. We visit a farmers' congregation center where they come together to discuss common issues regarding farming. That's also been electrified. We visited many of the houses here, and for the first time, they have electricity. They're able to actually function properly. It's really gratifying to see the effect we've had on this village. And of course, this is just the beginning. But I'm truly humbled by the effect we've been able to have through this amazing project. Thank you.
We at Youth of India Foundation in Obul Keshwarpur have been able to mobilize and localize 14 sustainable development goals with this project of Solar Blazer. Of course, generating about 512,000 kilowatt hour of clean energy and sequestering more than 500 tons of carbon. This is your house. This is your contribution to the larger vision of becoming net zero that India has envisioned. To the solar community of Obul Keshwarpur, championing this with Salesforce.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you.
Big thanks to Youth of India.
From darkness to light, this is just the beginning.